Good day. This is the Alternative News Network. I am Gerard Jenkins, bringing you today's top story. It has been reported that people are doing really strange things. We now go to a restaurant where someone may have passed out while eating unlimited pancakes.
This is Amy Allen. This woman I hope seems to have regained consciousness. Let's go talk to her. Ma'am? May I ask you a few questions? Yes. May I help you? People are worried about you. They thought you passed out. What were you doing?
Oh, you see, I was talking to God.
I don't understand. How do you talk to God?
I was praying to make him continue care of me and for my family.
Wait a minute. This restaurant brought you your food? So what does God have to do with that?
You see, everything I have, God has provided.
Can you please explain?
I am a Christian, and I believe God has blessed me with all that I need.
Well, I noticed you didn't close your eyes while praying.
You don't have to close your eyes while praying, especially since I don't have eyelids.
Well, I noticed that you had your hands put together in the Yogi Bear pose.
Yes, I think you mean the yoga prayer pose. Sometimes putting your hands together helps you focus on your connection with God.
Don't you find it embarrassing to talk to somebody who's not looking in public? You know, people might think you're crazy.
No, I'm proud to believe in God. His son Jesus made it possible to live in heaven forever.
Yeah, heaven. I've heard of heaven. We should talk later. Back to you, studio.
Thank you, Amy Allen. There's a report of a student reading a large book with tiny writing. We now go to Carson Carrington at Sade High School.
This is Carson Carrington. I'm walking into Sade High School Library. Excuse me, young man. Why are you reading the book called The People?
Well, first off, this is Shady High School, and this is a Bible. My teacher said to bring our favorite book to school because after testing, we need something to read. So I'm reading about Jesus.
Oh, the Bible. The media doesn't understand why the Bible is so important. I did an intensive Google search that the Bible is the best-selling book of all time. Are you reading it because it's so popular right now?
No, of course not. Besides, it's the best-selling book because it's God's Word. Would you like to study it with me?
No thank you. I'm not into make-believe books. I don't need to learn about God because he's not real.
Jesus and God are real, and the Bible is God's Word, and it teaches us how to be Christians by following Jesus' teachings.
This is God's Word? I thought it was written by a guy named Gideon, who built a lot of hotels.
Where do you get your news? Fake news? I want other people to know about Jesus, so I study the Bible.
So you study the Bible?
Would you like to come with me to a Bible study? We're learning about the book of Acts, which is about Jesus' promises spreading to all parts of the world.
This could be my first undercover job. I'll get a disguise and research more about this Jesus guy. I'll get back to you when I learn. Sure, I'll come. This is Carson Carrington signing off.
I don't think that's how undercover jobs work. Well, folks, we will keep you up to date with this news development later tonight at the 6 o'clock news report. Wow, time sure flies. Good evening, this is Gerard Jenkins. There are people being forced to work late at night for free. We now go to Amy Allen.
They're holding hostages in this building after hours. They're making these poor people load these big trucks, and I heard a guy yelling that they can't leave until it's done. Hey, you, come here.
Me? Is you talking to me?
Yes, you. I didn't know what's going on here.
Hey, you's that reporter lady on the news. Are we on TV right now? Man, that's cool. How's my hair looking?
Are you being forced to work late for free?
Oh no, we ain't doing this for free. for the money. We're doing this because we want to.
Why would you work late at night loading a big truck for nothing? You can tell me, are you being forced?
Forced? You're funny and confused. All this stuff was donated by our church family.
Why would you donate all this stuff and then come up here late at night to load it onto a truck? What's wrong with you people?
Well, after this here truck is loaded, we's gonna be leaving to Oklahoma in the morning. There's a couple folks down there who was hit by a tomato. Wait, I mean a tornado.
So, then do you make money by charging the people in Oklahoma for the stuff?
No, we ain't doing this for no money. We's doing this to show love for our neighbors. God says we should help others.
Oh, so these people in Oklahoma must be your family and friends?
They ain't friends nor family, but they need our help. God has blessed our lives, so we should help. Jesus has taught that we need to give to others.
If I hadn't come tonight, nobody would have known about this. You could have just said you did it and nobody would have known any different.
No, you see, that's where you're wrong, because God knows everything. He would have known that we could have helped, but we didn't.
Why are you working so hard?
Well, you see, we hope that when we help others, they'll want to know why we're doing that. And then that's when we teach about Jesus.
I don't know much about Jesus, except for that he's a baby in those Christmas movies and is sometimes a pale guy with a beard.
Well, you see, TV and movies ain't the best way to learn about God. We read the Bible to learn about God with his son Jesus.
You seem pretty happy to be here working. Let me guess, I bet you don't have real jobs. That's why you're here so late.
No. Once I got off work, I got in here and started helping get them trucks loaded.
Well, it seems to me you should be exhausted. Being a Christian looks like a hard job.
Being a Christian ain't no job. It's a way of life. Living for Jesus changes your life for good.
You sound happy. I bet that there's a lot that I don't know. I'm a reporter and I want to know the whole story. I'm signing off. I have a more important story to learn.
This has been a great day on Alternative News Network. I didn't realize that there are people who are Christians wanting to share Jesus' love. Oh, that's right, there's a Church of Christ near my home, and they always have a potluck dinner advertised for Wednesday night. I could bring my famous green bean casserole. I bet they never had that before. This is J. Rod Jenkins. Good night, and have a great tomorrow.